Hi all, it's Sierra Rose with Essentially Elevated doTERRA Essential Oils Education. And I literally just got back from a 3-day backpacking trip in Colorado. Well, actually I just got out of the shower, so that's a lie, but priorities. Anyway, and I am unpacking my pack and decided I should do a video about what kind of oils I bring on my backpacking adventures. And this can go for day hikes as well, or just any hike. What kind of oils do I personally bring on my outdoor adventures? My absolute go-to, if I had to pick one out of all of this, is peppermint oil. Straight up peppermint oil, personally, I like it the best straight up, because I like my oils powerful anyway. You can dilute it if you need to, but I really like straight up peppermint oil for so many things. My big use of it is heat, because I really don't like being super hot. So I put it on my temples and the back of my neck when I'm feeling overheated or just really hot. Also this morning I woke up at super high elevation and had a headache, so I put this on my temples as well, so that was nice. And you can also rub it around your belly button if you happen to eat something that would upset your stomach. And for your breath too, if you want to put some on your finger and lick it. It's just really refreshing. It is the most refreshing oil to have in the wild. Love it. Again, #1 oil, mostly for heat. For me, it saves me, because I get bitchy when I'm overheated on a hiking adventure. So that's one I definitely always bring. Another thing I brought this time as well was another little roller that I made of lavender and melaleuca tea tree oil. I did 20 drops of each and then filled the rest up with fractionated coconut oil. 20 drops is a lot for a little oil, but like I said before, or a little bottle, but I like my oils strong and straight up if my skin can handle it, and I know that it can with these ones. So lavender and melaleuca is great for bug bites. I got eaten quite a bit, and so I just roll this guy on any of my bug bites, and it stops it from irritatingly itching. Like, I was not itching all night in the tent, so that's really nice. And I will say that I have never tried, to this day, our TerraShield bug spray. I know Miranda about shit her pants when she found out that I, of all people, still have never tried that. So that's on my list to get for all my backpacking adventures for the rest of the summer, and try that out, and I'll let you know how I like it. Definitely would have liked to have it on this trip, our TerraShield bug spray. Don't have it, so again I use melaleuca and lavender oil in a roller, just a mini roller. It's one of those small ones. And I put it on my bug bites so that they don't itch and drive me crazy. It doesn't like make it go away immediately, but it definitely stops it from itching like crazy, which is just really nice. Like, I have a ton of bug bites and I didn't even really notice it. So that's cool. So those are my big go-tos. This backpacking trip, I did not go as minimal as I usually do. I mean, I packed with the same pack and everything, but I brought some extra shit. And I'm noticing that as I'm unpacking some of the oils that I brought. So let's see what we didn't use. Peppermint beadlets. I used this maybe twice in the last 3 days. Not really necessary. Wasted space and weight, when really I could just use this peppermint oil on my finger and lick it, or whatever. So don't really need to bring that next time. Another thing I brought for some reason, bless my heart, and did not use at all, were On Guard drops and Breathe drops as well. I was like, if I get sick, this would be so comforting. No, that's not necessary. Look, this whole bag. I'm a minimal backpacker, so this is just a waste. So don't bother with that. And then I brought this thing. Let's see what I put in here, because this was like buried in my backpack. Did not touch it at all. Thinking that I should bring these things just in case. Oh, look, my favorite oils. Balance and Serenity. Bless my heart. As if I were to care what I smell like on a backpacking trip. I didn't touch these at all, so future self, don't bring this whole 3x2 box of oils, such as Balance and Serenity. If this was more of a chill, like hike somewhere, hang out for a day, hike back trip, I could see this being nice to use, but you know, I just didn't need that. I also brought my Slim and Sassy gel drop things, vitamin drop things, didn't use them. Digest Zen soft gels, also didn't use them. My thought with this was, like, what if I eat something in the water, you know, when you're pumping water, you get a bug or whatever, and I just, like, I'm shitting and throwing up all day or whatever. But you know what? This is not going to kill a stomach bug from bacteria in the mountains, so I should come up with an oil blend to use for that. Yeah, I didn't touch that. Also didn't touch the On Guard soft gels too. I was like, if I feel something coming on, typically not. Like, honestly, I personally don't ever get sick on a backpacking trip. I think it's because just being in nature is super healing to our body naturally anyway, so that's just me. And I don't make stupid decisions like drinking water that hasn't been properly filtered or cross-contaminating the filter, or, you know, rookie, don't do that. But something that I will say I wish I had at the end of the day in the tent that I'm so bringing next time above any of this other shit that I just said I never touched. This deep blue rub little packets. If I could bring just 2 or 3 of these packets, depending on how long the trip is, and then make sure to bring like a paper clip or something to close it off with in case you don't use the whole thing. But my feet, I mean, this was an intense backpacking trip, which is a lot coming from me, and my feet were killing me, which also never happens because I take good care of my feet. So by the end of the day, I really wish that I had some deep blue rub to rub on the bottom of my feet before I put my nighttime socks on. That would have felt amazing. Also would have felt amazing on my shoulders, but I get cold up there, so, and I get cold with this on my back as well, so that probably would not have been too fun at night on this trip. But if it's like a hot backpacking trip, then that'd be great. For sure, on the bottom of my feet, oh, I wish I had this, and around my ankles, this would have been great. I am so bringing a few packs with the paper clip on my next backpacking trip. Coming home full circle, I shower with my usual stuff, doTERRA spa stuff, which is not what this video is about, but that felt amazing to come home to. And also, I got some hot spots on my feet, aka blisters. Correct X is what I have put on them with a band-aid on top because some of them popped. So Correct X, which has our healing essential oil ointment, kind of like Neosporin but without any of the chemicals. That's my go-to for any like broken skin or whatever. I don't feel the need to bring this on a backpacking trip, but again, I'm minimal. I don't see the point other than all the stuff that I brought. This wouldn't really, because you want the wound to be super clean anyway, so this, it's not going to do anything. So I wouldn't bring that, but it was nice to, it was an addition thing when I got home, what I did for recovery, if you will. So anyway, recap. All I really need to bring are the rub packets, a roller of peppermint oil for so many amazing things, lavender Melaleuca roller, and the Terra Shield spray. So pretend like there's Terra Shield right here. Crazy, I still have never used that. A couple rub packets, and these 2 things. Backpacking, hiking, game on. Anyway, thanks for watching me debrief my pack thing. If you still don't have a account with us to get your 25% off oils, holler, we can help you because they're amazing for so many things. Okay, bye!